Hello to all Mami Ann Import Academy students. We're excited to officially announce the Mami Ann Import Academy Business Digital Marketing Blueprint Masterclass. We created the Business Digital Marketing Blueprint Masterclass, a complete step-by-step system para tulungan kang mag-grow, mag-scale at mag-automate ng business mo. Inside this masterclass, matututunan mo kung paano gamitin ang AI for business research, paano gumawa ng powerful content, photo at video creatives using AI. We also teach you how to run Facebook ads using strategies that reach the right audience and generate real sales. At kung paano mo i-automate ang business mo gamit ang powerful automation system. Lahat ng kailangan mo mula strategy, execution hanggang automation nasa isang kumpletong system na. Isang step-by-step training na kailangan ng mga bawat negosyante na tutulong sa iyong mag-grow, mag-scale at mag-automate ng business mo. And if you are ready to grow, scale, and automate your business, join now and see you inside the Mami Ann Import Academy Business Digital Marketing Blueprint Masterclass.